Hi, let's begin our Tai Chi walking lesson. Let's begin by standing feet hip width apart and being very mindful of your bubbling well. So, bubbling well is located right at the sole of your foot in between the ball and the heel, slightly more closer to the ball of the foot. So let's find it first. Going to shift your weight forward onto your toes. So that's not the bubbling well. Let's go back on the heels. That's not it. So rock somewhere in between and find a spot that helps you connect to the ground. And that's your bubbling well. So now let's begin by shifting your weight and pouring your weight into one foot. Make that foot very heavy and the opposite one is now light. We're going to pick that up and step that foot forward with your toe up. And this is called sit step, S-I-T. Now let's go forward on that foot, being mindful you don't put your weight in your knee but into that well. Now let's practice going backwards into that back foot and lift your toe up again into that well. Let's do that again. Go forward into the front well and backward, lifting that toe up. Good. Let's bring this foot back. We're going to practice that to the other side. So shift your weight and step the opposite foot out with your toe up. And let's practice that weight shifting on this side. Forward onto that front foot, and again mindful, don't let the weight go to your knee but let it go to your bubbling well, and back as you lift your toe up and pushing that weight down into the floor. Forward into the bubbling well and back again. Very good. And let's bring that foot back. Now that you have that, we're going to move. So we're going to do a little bit of walking forward, Tai Chi style. So shift your weight and very solid on that foot in the well. We're going to bring that light foot forward. Now shift your weight onto that foot and pour that weight into the well. Now we're going to pour the weight even more as you lift your back heel. Feel the weight go into the well more. Come to the tippy toe. Then you're going to lift that foot completely up. It's completely light and then place it down. Let's repeat on the other side. Forward into the well. Lift your heel up as you pour it in even more. Come to your tippy toe and bring it forward. Very good. Now we're going to go backwards now. So to go backwards, we're going to practice shifting and bringing the foot back. So let's try that. From here, shift the weight and pour the weight, and again bring your foot forward. So in the case of going backward, you're going to relax your toe down, then lift the heel up. So you're touching your toe and you're going to draw a line, push the heel and lift your toe up. Then let's try that again. Relax your toe down, lift the heel up. We're going to draw a line, push the heel, and lift your toe up. Okay, so those are the two important parts of being able to do Tai Chi walking, going forward and back. So now let's put those two together and try the Tai Chi walking. First, we're going to go forward, then we're going to come back again. So standing feet hip width apart, let's pour your weight into one side, making that foot heavy all the way into the well. So let's bring your foot forward with your toe up. Shift the weight forward into your well. Lift your heel up, pour the weight, and let's step right through. See, my toe is up. Shift the weight forward into the well, lift that back heel up, pour the weight, and step through. Now we're going to go backwards. Relax that toe, lift your heel. Going to draw a line with your toe, push the heel, and lift the toe up. Again, relax your toe down, lift the heel, draw a line, push the heel, lift the toe up, and now let's bring that foot back to beginning. Very good. And now let's try that one more time. This time I'm going to begin by shifting my weight to the opposite side. So shift my weight to to one side, making now this foot heavy. Gonna step out forward with your toe up. Shift your weight forward into that front bubbling well. Lift the heel, touch your toe, and step through. Shift your weight forward into the well. Lift your heel as you pour the weight and step through. Now I'm going to go backwards. Relax your toe and lift your heel. Now draw a line. Push the heel down and pour the weight into that back foot by lifting your toe up. Relax the toe, lift your heel, and draw a line with your toe. Push the heel, pour the weight, lift your toe up, and let's bring the foot back. Very good. I hope you enjoyed this lesson on Tai Chi walking. Try walking forward. You can go more than 2 times. Try going 4 times and then 4 times back. So I hope you still enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you next time.